A healing prayer for the liver. Divine intelligence, which permeates all existence, I feel your presence within me. As a manifestation of this divine intelligence, I affirm the perfect functioning of my liver, vital to my well-being. I visualize a soothing green light enveloping my liver right below my right rib cage, vibrating in the frequency of health and life. Every cell in my liver is infused with divine wisdom and healing energy. I affirm that my liver operates with harmony and efficiency, revitalized, restored, and replenished at this moment. I declare that all its cells are aligned with health and vitality, efficiently performing essential functions such as detoxification, metabolism, and blood purification. I give thanks for my liver's health as it naturally eliminates any excess fat cells, promoting optimal function and contributing to my overall well-being. In gratitude, I release any feelings of discomfort, anger, or imbalance. I welcome the energy of happiness which flows through me, enhancing my health and vitality. I embrace health, wholeness, and transformation. The healing power of the universe is active within me, transforming every cell to embody perfect health. I trust this healing process, knowing it is already complete in the divine mind. My liver is robust, my body is strong, and I am whole. I fill my heart with gratitude for my liver's health and the abundant wellness that manifests through me now. So be it, and so it is.